Hello, Billy the Artist here, back with a little information update video. We have been doing the fellas from BTS. A little bit more on that in a moment, but first, please do like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when new how to draw videos are available. And like I say, we've done these first 4, I've got 3 to go, bit more on that. But an important thing about the reference for these, normally, people just watch the video and they use what's on the screen, but I've been asked, where's the link on the internet? It can move, so I don't put that link. But if you go to the community section on my YouTube channel, you will see now where I can post photos. Like I say, it's just something that's there. It's like, right, okay, so I can post the reference to these guys and all the other how to draw videos. I'll go through some of the older ones and put them up there, but any new one, I will post the reference image and I'll put the link in the description to the how to draw videos. Hopefully, again, I'll try and put it in, but it's just there. Go to the community tab. That's where it says. I've also put the grid, a PNG transparent file of the 2cm grid that I actually use. So again, check that out. You can use them. That's where they are. The same image that I use in the actual drawing lessons. So anyway, back to these guys. We have done 4 of the BTS guys. We've done Jungkook, we've done SUGA, we've done V, and we've done RM Rap Monster. Now again, if you check the link in the cards and the description, all of them are there. And I have now got left, we've got 3 left to do. We've got Jimin, Jin and J-Hope. I'm going to get through them and we're going to finish the lot and get the entire band done. Please share these. Again, check out the link in the cards and the description now for Jungkook. Here's a little snippet of the actual drawing lesson. It's been great seeing people doing this. Again, I have had young people, 8-year-olds, young children, using these lessons and learning how to draw portraits, which is absolutely fantastic, right the way through to older people. That's joyous too. Again, if you check out SUGA, check out the link in the cards and the description. That's to the full drawing lesson. That was brilliant because he's kind of off centre. You got the jacket with the herringbone and he's wearing the cap. That was good fun to do because it's that little bit different. Again, V, if you check out his lesson, he's not looking straight out at us. He's looking off camera. So that was really good to do a portrait where somebody is kind of looking away, not directly at you. So again, that's fantastic. Do enjoy that one because that was a little bit different. Now again, RM Rap Monster with his white hair. All these are done just using pencils and rubbers. I've not used any paint or anything like I did in the Avicii portrait drawing that I did. I'm just using as basic equipment as I possibly can. But again, these are the links to the full how to draw lessons. Each one is somewhere between 3 and 4 hours. It's a joy to do them. Please share them like crazy. In the description as well, there is the links to the little 3-minute time lapses of each of these guys as well. Please share them like crazy with the BTS Army because it's lovely. The comments that I've had from you guys about, wanting to see my channel grow, I should have lots more subscribers. It would be lovely. I am working towards that. I am enjoying this. I'd love to do so much more. I would do this every day. It's a joy. I know I probably can't, but it would be absolutely fantastic to, because there are so many fantastic subjects to draw. I am being asked constantly for other singers, film stars, other characters. There's, I've still got to do the Harry Potter. So once I've finished these 3 guys, I'm back in with a Harry Potter lesson, hopefully. And then, like I say, there's Star Wars, there's Lord of the Rings, there's Game of Thrones, there's the Marvel characters, all the Avengers. People keep asking for Tom Holland as Spider-Man. And it's great. I'd love to do them more and more. And the support from you guys is fantastic. Thank you. Please continue to share these out with the BTS Army. If you get this lot to go viral, that would be lovely. Really enjoy it. You guys take care, and I will see you in the next drawing lesson. Ta-da.